Okay, how to do this question? How to find the value of x, right? Like I told you earlier, in my previous questions, what you have to do, find the other angle which you can find easily. Then you can come to find x, right? So here, when we consider, this is a simple question. Now, A, B, C, D, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Why? This A, B, C, D vertices on the circumference of this circle, right? This one on the circumference, this one on the circumference, this vertex also on the circumference, this also on the circumference. So, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, now if a cyclic quadrilateral, we know opposite angle add up to 180, opposite angle supplementary. So that means this one plus this one must be this opposite angle, no? This one and this angle, opposite angle. So if this is 120, this should be 60 because these two add up to must be 180. So here should be 60 degree, right? Like that we can mark. And also they tell now this AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. So if you consider AB has diameter, then this diameter subtended angle here, right? We know because semicircle angle, this one subtended angle from the diameter, this must be 90 degree, right? This should be this must be 90 degree. So if this 90 and this is 60, now we can find x. It's like that, very simple one. So we can write what the 60 plus 90 plus x should be 180. Then here will be what the 150 plus x equal 180. Then x will be equal to 180 minus 150. So it will be 30 degree. So x equal 30 degree.